In this video, we will show you the current our planet mining updates, staking updates, and what you should need to know into this one of the massive big updates into their platform. So let's just go first into this part right here. So as you can see here, you can probably see your overall mining for all of your cards into the dashboard part. So what you just need to do here is, of course, for you to see it, you need to go into every single one of these packs right here, or NFT games, and then you can see inside how much you are getting per hour on your R Planet staking. So of course, you can also claim this one here, and in this part right here, you can see how much you've gained since your last claim of our planet. So as you can see here, just click the claim all button right here, and I think it will appear how much has been added. So as you can see here, my reward here is 1149.5 Ether, and that is it. So some things that I want to take in part with you guys is, if you remember, okay, our planet nerfed a lot of items inside their platform, and as you can see into their Twitter account, um, they've nerfed Kolobok, they've nerfed um, Alien Worlds, and other games as well. So um, actually, the date that they've nerfed their Alien World, so I'm going to check this one for a moment. Oh my, I think it's pretty much lower onto this part. They've nerfed Alien Worlds, I think. See, abundant. Oh, maybe they've deleted it, but they've nerfed Alien Worlds items inside the R Planet. So for the items that you got here, if you are getting around 0.3 what do you call that, 0.3 Ether per hour on this one, now you will get 0. So that's 0. And if you're going to check on the stake part here, which I've bought some of the male humans, and I've staked some of my shovels. As you can see here, it doesn't even have any value because every abundant item is now reduced to 0. So that is the recent update on this one. They've implemented the nerfs, and they've already done it into this recent update. And if you're going to check on some of your R Planet NFTs as well, you can see that most of the cards are being nerfed. As you can see here, in my R Planet, I mean in my Dark Country stake, I think this has been nerfed for around 10%, 10 to 20%. So I think I'm getting around 0.8 on this one, but now I'm just getting 0.69 for the normal card, and I think I do have this one. Yeah, I'm getting around 1.60 on this one, but now I'm getting around 1.39. I think I'm getting around I'm not sure, 24 or 32 something on those some. So it has been nerfed by 20% in NFT cards on Dark Country. However, I can't say that every NFTs have been nerfed here, but in my experience, my 3 games that has an NFTs inside the R Planet IO got nerfed, and they've implemented it. As you can see here, I also only get a really small amount of Ether here. Before it was 4 Ether per hour, but now it is around 1.69, 1.13. So there's really a big nerf into this set of games. So as you can see here, they've made an announcement on Alienware's NFTs about reducing their Ether mining rate into zero. And as you can see here, they've also nerfed Kolobok as well. I'm not sure where they've put it, but I think it is somewhere here. Yeah, like this one. They've experiencing an unexpected influx of Kolobok NFTs. The mining rate for those assets will be reduced by 5 times. So that is the recent update, and as you can see here, there's a new dashboard right here which displays how many cards you've staked, how much stake power do you have as well, and rather than just displaying it into the dashboard like the overall Ether that you are getting. In this time, you can see how much you are earning Ether per hour for every game that you are just checking. So this a little bit this makes more sense in the case that you might actually enjoy seeing that, okay, I'm pretty much having 565 per hour on Dark Country, and it's a lot more better for you to check how much how much stake money you've put inside this one, how many stake powers you are getting, how many cards you've staked here, rather than just displaying the overall Ether that you're getting per hour. So that's really great, and of course. There will be an upcoming rig sale, as you can as I've mentioned. You can see it here. Okay, so there's a rigs for everyone. Okay, this will happen in May 2022. That's tomorrow. However, in the Philippines, I think it was May 23 at around 12 a.m., which you can get a mini rig and a mini rig mini pack of mining tools and mega pack of mining tools, which of course gives you a guaranteed 1,000 Ether per hour. So this is pretty much really good deal that you should take part of, and of course it is pretty much cheaper than the mining rigs that you could probably see into Atomic Hub, because all of the items there are pretty much overpriced. So just be careful on those. So as you can see here, for around $120, which is priced in wax, you can probably get more than 4,000 Ether per hour guaranteed. So probably that's just not 4,000, you can get even more than that. It depends on how lucky you are, and of course it depends on what you are getting. And of course the sale starts at 5 p.m., which is this one for the mega pack. It is May 23 at 1 a.m. into the Philippines, and you can just open 1 hour later at 6 p.m. UTC, which is 2 a.m. here in the Philippines as well. So that is it for the small update on this video, on this game, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please do smash that like button. That will help the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you like our planet and if you have any thoughts about our planet, please do comment into the description box below, and I see you on the next video.